All right, so we just got this. This is the Rove R2 4K dual channel 4K dash cam. And what's cool about this, it comes with a 128 gigabyte card. And yeah, if you guys want to do a little scanning, you can. Okay, so let's open it up and take a look inside. So it does come with this. Here's that QR code. And it does give you a quick overview of how to do this, which it's pretty simple, I think. Over here, you've got more information on how the app works, right? And then share your captured moments. Okay, well, we can do that. Here's your card. Check it out. Comes with that card. Let's open this up and see what else is in here. Pop it open. Oh, there we go. All right, so you get a bunch of this stuff. Important electrostatic film for rear camera. So we need this stuff. Don't lose it. Put it over here. What's this here? Okay, check it out. Smile, you are on camera, protected by Rove Dashcam. That's cool. And then bam, here it is. This is the 128 gigabyte card. And yeah, that's nice. All right, so you're saving money there. This is the booklet on how to use it. Oh yeah. Apparently, it's a little more complicated than we thought, but let's put that there because we're probably going to need it. The camera itself is right here. And so if you look, it says, important, read this first. The Rove 4K is a supercapacitor dash cam that requires a continuous power source for operation. Okay, the memory card is included. You receive an alert stating memory card speed too slow. Consider replacing your memory card. Okay, got that right here, and you've got your email, and then you also have the website. So anyway, I'm not going to pull this off. We're going to leave it on for now. Over here, you're going to see there's where the power goes in, and data you can pull off of there. And this right here, you're supposed to remove before you start recording. And this looks like it's rear camera only. So you would hook this to the rear camera. And then here we've got a menu, we've got a mute, we've got emergency lock and Wi-Fi, we've got switch camera view, and then we've got OK, confirm. And down here it looks like, I don't know, could be speakers. Yeah, there's a mic right there, and there's a reset button. So you may need to do that. Let's put that back here for right now. And then in this box here, let's see what we got. All right, so we got 12 feet of USB-C type power cable. We got 6 meters of USB-C type rear camera cable. We've got 1 meter of USB-C type data cable, and then we've got spare stickers. Also, you've got a cable hiding clips, you got a wire tool, and you've got some cleaning pads. So let's just delve in here and take a look. All right, so here's some stickers, it looks like. Let's set that there. Here's the tool. It's like a pry bar. You may need that. And then we've got all the cables. But over here we go. Here we go. These are the clean wipes. You need that to clean off the, your window before you put all this stuff together. Here's the cords. That looks like the short one. That looks like a semi-long one. Let's see what this one is. Okay, we got everything out of that box. All right, so this is the super long one. This is the less long one, and this is the short one. So you've got those 3 cables, okay? Let's set those there, and then let's move this over. All right, and put that there. All right, now we got another one, right? All right, let's get this one up. Let's take a look at it. All right, here we go. Okay, so these, I do believe, are, let's see. These are, I think, are mounts. Yeah, these are mounts. Let's go ahead and just get it out of the package. So there's one mount here. And this, you pull this off and stick it. But we're not going to do that right this second. This right here goes into your, your lighter, which nobody uses anymore. They only use it for, charging their phones. It's one of those deals. Let's see what else we got. Oh, okay, so here's the one that you stick right on your forward window. Okay, so here's the information. Please read. Remove this film before installation. Avoid the dot matrix pattern. Suction mount will not stick properly over a bumpy pattern. Clean the area. Okay, that's what those wipes are for over here. Let's set that down. And then I think this is the rear camera here, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, that's it right there. So this you'd put in the back. Of course, you've got to plug in a cord here, and that would lead up to the front. And yeah, so that's that right there. So those are the things that come in that box, right? I'm just going to put them back in the box for right now because we're not installing it yet. And you'll need all that stuff. Let's hang on to that. Oh, we're going to need these too, by the way. So set those there. And then our cords, I mean, you know, they're just basically USB-C cords. And here they are. You see, and what's cool about these are bent. So you need that kind of a bend to use it with a camera because you got a window, remember? And you've got your mirror and all that other stuff in the way. Same thing here. Here's this one's bent. And this is a USB regular, right? So that would go into that cigarette doohickey. And then this is the same thing, short USB-C. So that's that. And then you've got these stickers. You don't want to lose those. So that's everything that comes in the box. And now we just got to put it on a car. You know what I mean, Jelly Beans? So bam, Bob's your uncle. That's our next video.